Hello everybody, my name is Lance. I'm a small business owner and I came across Cobalt Lend. Thought it would be an interesting topic to share with everyone as far as getting a small business loan. Cobalt Lend is a new way for small businesses to borrow and lend capital. There's a short video here also that goes through, it's a great resource to click on and learn more about. What does Cobalt Lend bring to the blockchain ecosystem? Well, there's four different factors here that I'm going to go over. The first one is called Our Focus is Small Businesses. Making everyone their own small business, Cobalt Lend aims to bring together a blended community in order to facilitate borrowing and lending within the same community. This allows the community to benefit instead of the banks. If you want to learn more about this, go ahead and click on this icon. Next is borrow and lending Cobalt on Null's platform. Being able to lend excess capital to other borrowers within the ecosystem in times of surplus in order to benefit from interest on the loan. Borrowing capital faster and easier than with traditional lending institutes, all from your mobile phone. Click on this icon to go ahead and learn more. Now, the next one is Cobalt Lend Software Suite, free mobile dApp. The Cobalt Lend Priority software enables cryptocurrency and credit card processing all together in one mobile dApp. No extra costly hardware needed. See more about how the Cobalt Lend Software Suite works. Go ahead and click on the icon to learn. Community voted lending. Governance of the blockchain. The current credit system is fundamentally flawed, and the Cobalt Lend platform corrects this by facilitating a community-voted and approved lending program on the blockchain that is completely based off of the merits of the project, never seeing race, color, or individual's background. The only criteria considered for the loans will be merit of project and collateral provided by the borrower. Then the community will be left to decide on funding the proposal or rejecting it. To learn more about community voting in the Cobalt Lend ecosystem, click the icon to learn more. So let's scroll down here. How we plan to incentivize the community. Putting community first is what blockchain is all about. So let's talk about this. Lending platform. Community members who voted on proposals will receive dividends paid out in Cobalt tokens periodically by the Treasury based on the positive tracked performance of the projects funded by the community through the Treasury. The Treasury will also conduct periodic buybacks of the Cobalt token as well. This, along with the token burn occurring routinely on the protocol, will contribute greatly to the deflationary model and therefore increasing the overall value for investors' wallet holders. Community member wallet holders will be able to communicate with any blockchain through their mobile dashboard, allowing them to lend and borrow any asset with the touch of a button. Community member and wallet holder borrower. Let's learn more about this by clicking on the tab, Learn More. Role of the borrower, wallet holder, borrower. Number 1, borrower. Community member submits a proposal to the community for loan consideration. Number 2, borrower. Community member completes ID, credit verify, and is scored for collateral. Number 3, the borrower locks collateral in smart contract while borrowing funds. Number 4, the foundation submits the loan proposal to the community through the Cobalt dashboard for review by the community for 7 days. Community votes fund or deny. If approved, funds dispersed to borrower. If loan denied, collateral is unlocked. Number 5, borrower repays the loan with interest, then unlocks collateral, defaults on loan, forfeits collateral. Number 6, interest on loan goes to Treasury, ultimately redistributed into community dividends. So that's the role of the wallet holder. The second part here is staking wallet holder, validator node. Learn more. So let's learn more about this. Staking your Cobalt tokens is now live and ready for you to earn passive income inside your user dashboard. The 2 types of staking with Cobalt Lend. Staking Cobalt native token on Ethereum blockchain inside the Cobalt Lend user dashboard. Stake your Cobalt tokens inside your user dashboard and earn up to 5% per month. Stake tokens in your own wallet. Registered users see your user dashboard for details and register your wallet for staking. The Cobalt token is meant to be the main utility on the Cobalt platform, with all other assets interacting or pairing with it. So it is beneficial to the end user of Cobalt to be able to move their tokens at any time and still be able to earn with passive income with them while they are idle in their account for any length of time. Cobalt has devised a system that has no lockup period and acts more like a savings account with interest rate determined by community vote and adjusted accordingly to preserve and enhance the network. Staking NCBLT on the Nulls platform. Cobalt has created a one-on-one pairing of the Cobalt token on the Nulls platform for staking within that ecosystem in preparation for the lending protocol build-out. 5% on both chains have been reserved for staking to secure and fund the new network build-out. Future implementation will allow for community members to stake one asset to multiple platforms. This is the first of many in that process. What is POCM on Nulls? POCM stands for Proof of Credit Mining, is an SCO platform that allows projects to use smart contracts to issue and distribute project tokens on blockchains. Users can stake into a project's Nulls and earn their token as reward, while the project earns Nulls as rewards. Projects can use the Nulls conscience rewards to bootstrap and help fund development. The best security factor in this scenario is stakers never risk their principal, and Nulls tokens never leave their wallet while participating in the new ecosystem. For complete tutorage on how to stake your tokens along with many other useful tips and how-to guides, click here. So that's just more information. Now the next one is Basic Decentralized Finance. I'm going to click on that. Alright. Basic Decentralized Finance. Decentralized lending is what this platform is all about. Community-approved lending is the key to decentralization. The community will vote on all proposed projects by borrowers and directly profit from funding people within their own community. Borrowers earn Cobalt tokens for participating in the protocol, therefore provided extra incentive for the entire ecosystem while stimulating growth of the protocol. This will increase the value of the Cobalt token and in direct correlation will bring new users into the ecosystem, therefore increasing the value of the overall protocol. Alright, we're going to scroll back here and stake your Nulls and earn Cobalt and participate in the build out of the platform. Click here. And then you've got all these different options to learn more about Cobalt lending. Please visit the website at cobaltlend.com. This concludes my presentation. Thank you very much.